Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to try Barritas Fresa strawberry filled cookies. I saw this in the Spanish section at the store, and I thought, why not try this? It looks pretty interesting. Okay. So it comes in like little bags of like 2 each. And I guess there's 6 packages. So there's like 12 of these all together. So this is I guess this is what it looks like here. Kind of interesting. It's kind of reminding me of like a Fig Newton a little bit. So yeah, this is actually really good. It basically I would describe it as like a Fig Newton, but it's almost like a Pop Tart. It's like if you combined Fig Newton and Pop Tarts with like the strawberry Fig Newtons, because this is strawberry flavored. It's not too bad. Like these edges, these like sides right here, kind of like the same consistency of a Pop Tart. So yeah, these are pretty great actually. Not much else to say about it. It's just a good strawberry flavored snack. So yeah, I guess if you see the Barritas Fresa strawberry filled cookies anywhere, I would suggest getting them. They're not bad at all. So I guess that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say. So in the description below, you can follow. There's links to where you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And basically, that's about it. So I'll see you guys next time with another video. Thanks.